Video marketing is essential for local businesses aiming to connect with their community. It offers a powerful way to engage, inform, and convert customers. Whether you run a coffee shop or a boutique, video marketing can strengthen relationships with your audience. For local businesses, video marketing is not just trendy, it's impactful. Videos increase visibility as search engines prioritize video content, helping your business rank higher. They also enhance customer engagement, allowing you to tell your story in a way that connects emotionally with your audience. Consider creating customer testimonials, product demos, and behind-the-scenes videos. Each type serves a specific purpose, from building trust to showcasing your offerings. Mixing these videos keeps your content fresh and engaging, helping your business leave a lasting impact. Focus on your audience by understanding their demographics and pain points. Use storytelling techniques to make your videos relatable and memorable. Decide between professional and DIY production based on your goals and resources, ensuring your videos connect with viewers. Utilize social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to maximize visibility. Integrate videos into email campaigns for local outreach. Embed videos on your website to boost SEO and increase conversions. Consistency and understanding your audience are key to successful promotion. Read the full blog post at newhorizons123.com.